All right, Callum. So next week, you're coming here to my studio. You get to see all my drum sets, my cool stuff. And you know what? We had a good talk this week, and I saw you pay attention that drum class, Callum, is no different than your preschool, right? It is no different than school. This is school. It's a fun class. I want it to be fun, but it is a class, okay? So when you come to my studio, we will treat it like a school, all right? You are coming to a school. This is drum school. It's a cool school. It's a fun school, but it is a school, all right? So in order for us to become the greatest drummer on the planet, Callum, we have to get this trick down, okay? Now, what I'm showing you is actually pretty fun. Some drum teachers might be like, I want you to do this all the time, right? But I'm not doing that. I'm showing you something that I think will excite you, and once you get it, you're gonna realize that this is drumming. And drumming, of course, requires counting. We can't just be like, although that's super fun, and it's fun to do, and I'm not saying don't do it, but when we are actually studying music, counting is so important, okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4. We count up to 4 and then we repeat. You know how to do that, all right? On 1, we do kick and ride together. 1. On 2, we do snare and ride together. 2. 3, kick and ride. 4, snare and ride. And then we repeat. Kick and ride, snare and ride, kick and ride, snare and ride. And I know you're like, well, why am I doing this, Jared? This requires so much focus, right? Actually, it sounds like this sped up. So actually, when you speed it up and you get used to doing it, it sounds awesome, okay? And then when you get this, then we get to learn like different drum beats, right? So please practice that. And another thing too, practice that stick bouncing. All right, try bouncing it once. All right, that's our double. Try bouncing it twice, which would be 3. All right. And then Callum, once again, when we bring those together, you get this nice, smooth snare roll. All right. So we have single, double, triple. And just bounce on that stick. Fun thing to do is like let it be a ball, right? So you just like you go loose and like let it bounce. Like that. Cool. That's another way to kind of explore the bouncing of your snare drum. All right, Callum, I love your enthusiasm for music. Practice, practice, practice. I will see you next week here. I'm looking forward to it.